Hello guys, today we make mandala video, so let's get started. I already drawn circles. I will darken it a bit. I am drawing a shape like leaves in our mandala. I draw the outer circles very carefully. Then I will draw lines for perfect design. Now I will make circles with the help of CDs. And I create design from outside the circle. I draw this design due to which our mandala will look even more beautiful. And yes, please do not forget subscribe to the channel, and if you like this mandala then definitely like it. Now I will make the small circles inside these circles, which give this mandala a good look. Right now I will draw shapes like big leaves from outside. I remember you again that please do not forget to subscribe this channel for more useful videos. And yeah, press the bell icon which gives you notifications of my every new video, which help you a lot. And if you have any suggestion, then let it me know. My next video is mandala on bookmark, so wait for that video. When I upload that video, I will give link of that video in the description box. You can check from there. And now it's done. Please subscribe, share and like, and yeah, comment also. Thanks for watching. See you soon with next video. Bye bye.